calibrate function. This pump had a calibration function, but in today's video I will not introduce this function. If you're interested, I will record a video for this function. And in the system, this is mainly about the time and the language. You can change the language and the backlight setting. The screen will be lighter, and the alarm block. And you can reset the settings to the factory parameters. Change tube 1 and reset Wi-Fi. This model can option with Wi-Fi, and you can control this pump through your mobile phone. And this is some information of this pump about its company. And you can set the password. Return to the main interface.